Hi everyone. Let us start the new chapter that is called Theory of Probability. As you know what is probability, you are very much familiar with the word probability. Wherever there is chance factor, we can evaluate this chance factor with the help of the probability theory. That means a numerical evaluation of chance factor is called probability. When we numerically evaluate the chance factor, it is called probability. Now before starting this chapter, let us know what is random experiment. Random experiment. You know experiment, what is experiment? In our day-to-day life, we perform many activities which has a fixed result no matter how many times they are repeated. Okay, but we also perform many activity or experiments where the result may not be the same when they are repeated under identical condition. In the same condition, if we repeat this experiment, the result are not same. Every time we get different result. Okay, so random experiments satisfy two condition. First one is it has more than one outcomes. It has more than one outcomes. More than one outcomes means at least two outcomes, two or more than two. Okay, so it has more than one outcome. If there is a one outcome in an experiment, then it is not a random experiment. Okay, and second one is it is not possible. It is not possible to predict the result in advance. It is not possible to predict the result in advance, though we know the all possible outcomes of that particular experiment, but we cannot predict exactly what is going to be happen. Okay, that means we cannot predict the result in advance, but we know the all possible outcomes. So as we know, in tossing of a coin is a random experiment, because when we toss a coin, we know the all possible outcomes. The outcomes will be either head or tail. This is our all possible outcomes. When we perform this tossing of a coin, we know the result, but we cannot predict what will come, head or tail. But we know the total outcomes, all possible outcomes, but the result cannot be predicted in advance. Same rolling of a die, we know all possible outcomes. So what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here we know the all possible outcomes, but we cannot predict the result in advance. We cannot say exactly what will come. So these are random experiment, because here we know it has more than one outcomes. Look here, it has two outcomes. Here it has 6 outcomes. So it both are random experiment because it has more than one outcomes, and we know the all possible outcomes, but result cannot be predicted in advance. So such experiments are called random experiment. Hope this is clear to you. Thank you.